Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of me showing how to edit another YouTube video. So firstly, I'm going to Ibis Paint X to make my thumbnail, and I'll go on the brush tool to make and to draw more stuff on my thumbnail. And from the last video, you know that I had to import a photo from my camera roll when I pressed the plus sign. If you haven't seen that video, you should look at it first so you don't get confused. So right now, I went on the bucket tool and I selected the color white to color in the circle I made, which I'm going to. Then I will go on the magic wand tool and then I'll press the camera button and then I'll minimize a photo of the clock I'll be making a video of. Now I will add a new layer, which now I will press on the brush and then I'll press on the text, where I'll add a new text on my thumbnail. By dragging the text, I will now change the position and how high or low it is on my thumbnail. I will press on size and then I will drag the line so then I can make it bigger. Because I wanted to change the color of my text, I pressed on the pencil button below the text and then I will change the color. Now I will go on to KineMaster and then I will press create new and I can choose the aspect ratio if you wish. And then I press media and then I select the two videos that I want in my video. Because I thought my video was too long, now I am going to click on the video strip and then using the yellow corners from the start to the end, I can drag it and then it will shorten the duration of the video. Now I'm trimming the end of the video. This video was planned to be 59 seconds long in total, so I will be pressing speed and then altering the speed to make the duration shorter. You can also make it longer as well. Now I will press media and then click on photo and get my. Now that I have my thumbnail, I will now go on pan and zoom to fully display it. And then I will click on the strip and then shorten it by trimming it. Now I will press the record button and I will record a chime which I will put on the video so it can make a more better clock effect. After trimming the recording, I will now press the export button, which is in the corner, and then I will export it at full quality. Thank you for watching.